Here's a short recap of Part 7 of the Frogger miniseries. First, we created a folder to store our Cadillac art assets. Next, we imported our textures and the static mesh for our Cadillac object. Make sure to uncheck the option for Build Nanite in the static mesh import settings. Then, we right-click on the albedo texture and create a new material that we can call m_Cadillac. Open the material and drop in the normal and mix map texture files as well. Hook up the normal to the normal pin, and for the mix map, hook the red channel to the ambient occlusion, the green channel to the roughness, and the blue channel to the metallic. Next, we'll open the BP_Cadillac blueprint and remove the cube we added earlier. We can then highlight all the static meshes for our Cadillac object and add them in the component tree. There should be a total of 7 objects. We also want to make sure we parent all the car parts to the car body, with the exception of the front and back wheels. After that, select each static mesh in the component tree, and in the details panel, set the collision to overlap all. Then select the box collider and expand out the extents so the box fits the entire body of the Cadillac. Don't forget to set the preview mesh to use the car static mesh so our previews are accurate in world. We then need to fix the pivot points for the front and back wheels. Simply drag the static meshes into the level editor and then go from the selection mode to modeling mode. Highlight the front wheels and select X form. Choose Edit Pivot and select Center and save the results. Repeat these steps for the back wheels and then delete the static meshes from the level. After we change the pivot point, we need to align the front and back wheels to the body of the car in the BP_Cadillac blueprint. Finally, in the event graph, we created a timeline that has 2 float tracks for the tire rotation and body wiggle. We feed the update pin to a set relative rotation node for both the tires and the car body. We set the timeline to loop and even set up a tire speed variable that we set to instance editable so we can control how fast the tires spin on each car. And just like that, we've created a simple Cadillac vehicle for our first obstacle for this prototype. Stay tuned for Part 8.